Check this out. Hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you today. And today I'm going to do a really cool special video for you. I'm going to do a comparison, foam cannon versus foam gun. The foam cannon, of course, you know, is very popular and hooks up to a pressure washer, and the foam gun actually hooks up just your garden hose. So stick around, we'll show you what's going on with this. So about a year and a half ago or so, I purchased this foam cannon from a detailing company here locally in the valley of Phoenix. And you know, it's a foam cannon. So it hooks up to your high pressure washer here. There's a dial that adjusts the foam that comes out of here. And of course, this canister holds all the soap. And the reason I bought one is because I saw a few videos and some people using them, and I thought it was a great, very, very effective and efficient way of covering your car with all sorts of really nice sudsy foam. And after using it a couple of times, it became a pain in my butt. The reason I say that is because I had to hook up the pressure washer to it every time, and then you have to hook up your hose to the pressure washer, then you have to hook up the pressure washer feed to this fitting here, and then you have to turn on the pressure washer, and if it's electric, no big deal. If it's gas, no big deal. You just pull start it, all right? And then you turn it on, and then now you have beautiful foam out there. Well, like I said, it was a pain in the butt, and I'm like, you know, there's got to be a better way. So I heard of the foam cannon, so Adams Polishes, right here, these guys, I use their product pretty exclusively on my car. I've got a nice car, 2006 Ford Mustang GT, which has won several really prominent awards, including Good Guys and some regional awards here in Arizona as well. And I tried it, and I'll tell you what, I was going to do a really cool unboxing, unveiling thing, but when I got it, I couldn't wait, and so I threw the box away before I could do this video. But anyhow, here's the cool part about it, right? Here's a canister, okay? Then you have the top right here, very simple top, and then you have your pickup tube right there, which goes inside the canister. And then this particular product also comes with your own spray nozzle. So it's so simple, easy to use. Let me get that in just a second here, hang on. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're going to take the hose and hook it up to the pistol grip sprayer, which is really pretty cool. A couple twists, boom. Goes right on there, it's hooked up now. I'm gonna take the top. You're good to go. Now check this out. Instead of messing with any extra fittings, any extra hoses, whatever, you simply clip this, slide the ring back, slide the ring back, pop it on there, and you're good to go. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how actually we'll apply soap to the vehicle, and I think you're going to be very, very impressed with this. Again, it's not the intensity of a foam cannon. It's a foam gun, so it has less intensity, but we live in a subdivision that has really good water pressure. We're running about 80 to 85 PSI, which is pretty high, so it does a good job as far as, you know, mixing the foam and the soap up to put on the car. So stick around for more. All right, so it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. It's about 93 degrees out, so it's going to be a scorcher. Yesterday was 113 here in the valley, so I'm going to get this done as quickly as I can. But check this out. Remember the hose, pistol grip sprayer, and I have my canister right here. Now watch. We hold on the Jeep, hose it down. Check this out. Take this, slide this back. I'm pulling back on the sleeve of the pistol grip sprayer. Snap it on. I don't have any other hose I have to hook up. I don't have any other mechanism I have to hook up. This is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Now, check this out. All right, so you're saying, well, it's not as much foam as a foam cannon. Well, you're right. A gun is a much smaller firearm than a cannon is, so naturally you're going to have less performance with a gun than you are a cannon. However, the performance that I'm looking for out of this particular device here, the simplicity, the ease, the performance, this is it right here. Adams Polishes foam gun. Check it out, man. Adams Polishes foam gun. Meantime, folks, like, subscribe, share. Remember what the saying in Eric Garage AZ Land is: drive it like you stole it, bitches. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more right here on Eric's Garage AZ.